would you like a break on your income tax? It could be on the way now that the House Tax Reform Committee has approved a bill that would reduce the state income tax rate and eventually eliminate it altogether. Scott Walczak spoke with those for and against the bill to find out what it could mean for Michigan.
A bill that would reduce income tax passed its first step when it was approved by a House committee. Representative Lee Chatfield is the one who introduced it. He says the bill will put more money in the pockets of taxpayers.
This is about allowing them to make ends meet and spend their money how they would like to see it spent. And I think this is the greatest way to grow our economy here in our state.
If the bill makes it through, it'll reduce the income tax rate from 4.25% down to 3.9%. Then every following year, it'll go down by 0.1% until by 2057, Michigan won't even have an income tax. Pete Lund is for the bill. He says it'll bring more jobs to Michigan.
People are looking where they're going to place their jobs. So one of the things they're going to look at is what type of taxes they're paying.
Charles Owens says small businesses would benefit from a reduced income tax by having more money to invest in themselves. However, eliminating the tax altogether wouldn't be in their best interest because without income tax, the government might try to find other ways of bringing in that money.
Such as a sales tax on services, which has been discussed, or increasing or creating new business taxes will occur, and they don't want that.
MSU economics professor Charles Ballard is against the bill. He says reducing the income tax would cripple Michigan's infrastructure.
Townships and villages and counties are struggling because of the savage cuts to revenue sharing. I just don't think that this strikes the correct balance.
Gilda Jacobs agrees with Ballard. She says looking at states like Texas, which don't have income tax, should be proof that this bill won't bring Michigan more money.
And we can actually go and see what other states have done, and they've not had that economic boost. There's virtually no proof.
In Lansing, Scott Walczak, Fox 47 News.
The bill is in the early stages and still needs to go through the House and Senate for voting.